welcome back to the channel. So first things first, if this video seems really familiar, that's because I did have to re-upload it. The audio was really wonky for whatever reason, and I didn't want to have that up there because you guys couldn't really understand me or hear me explain the rules. So I'm just gonna let you look and see everything that's going to be included. So everything you see here is going to be included. I'm also including 5 little containers for you to have in order to help you organize the little nail art stuff that's in these packages that you see me holding right now. But aside from that, that's basically everything. Also, which you see me hold it up later, but I'm going to be allowing you guys to choose 4 transfer foils from Opry, their website. So you're going to go to opry.com and pick out 4 transfer foils. I'm just showing you one of the ones as an example, which you'll see me show it in just a few. But you want to go ahead and pick out 4 of the ones that you would like to have. I recommend getting ones that you know you're going to use a lot, like probably like a gold, a silver, or whatever. But you know, whatever you want, do whatever. You know, it's your world, you're the winner, it's great. Okay, so aside from that, also what I'm going to do, so to be entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, you need to be following me on Instagram. You must be following me on Instagram. And the third thing is that you must leave a comment down below underneath this video telling me your name, your Instagram handle, your email address, what item you're most excited to receive, and also you must tell me what 4 transfer foils you would like to have if you were to win. Okay, so what you need to do whenever you list the transfer foils, just list the name of them. They each have a name, so please be sure to list the name off of Opry's website. And if it's sold out for some reason, then what I'll do is whenever you are the winner, or if you get contact as a winner, I will email you. Or when I email you letting you know you've won, I will email you saying, hey, this is sold out. You know, can you pick out another one? And then I'll go ahead and see your whole giveaway package sent out to you. So please be sure to do that. Be sure to list the names down below so that way it'll be super easy and seamless. And then aside from that, you also have to like this video. So be sure to give this video a like, okay? I'm going to be checking for all the things I've listed. I'm going to be looking for your comment to make sure you included everything in the comment. I'm going to be making sure that you're subscribed, that you're following me on Instagram. I'm looking for all of that. So please be sure that you're doing all of that, okay? And then last but not least, so like I said, essentially I will be announcing the winner via email. So you'll get an email from me if you are the winner, but I also will announce it on my YouTube channel because I see people having issues where people are getting contacted by fake people saying they want a giveaway, but that is not the case. That is not what is going to happen. I'm going to again send the winner email and announce it on my channel, so you know if you don't see it on my channel and you haven't gotten an email from me, for example, you haven't gotten an email from like my business email that is listed down below in the description box, then it's not me. So yeah, be on the lookout for the video and the email. Also, if you want an extra entry, you can repost the posts on my Instagram about the giveaway, either on your page or your story. Just be sure to tag me in it so I know it's you, and I can link it back to you. But yeah, hopefully you guys will enter, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.